Have you ever seen a word like mañana or jalapeno and wondered how to properly say that special N with the little squiggly line on top? It is a sound that adds so much richness to the Spanish language and to Latin music, but it can sometimes feel a bit mysterious to pronounce. The correct sound of the letter N tilde, or EN as it is called in Spanish, is like the NY in the English word canyon or the NI in onion. It is a distinct palatal nasal sound, where the middle of your tongue touches the roof of your mouth as air passes through your nose, creating a soft, almost blended sound. Mastering this sound is key to truly enjoying and understanding many Latin musical artists and cultural terms. This unique sound is not just a stylistic choice, but a fundamental phoneme in Spanish, meaning it represents a basic unit of sound that can distinguish words. The tilde, that small wavy mark above the N, is actually called a virgulilla. It originated in medieval scribes' practice of writing a small n above a letter to indicate a doubled letter, like in the Latin word annum becoming año in Spanish. This linguistic evolution solidified the N tilde as its own letter in the Spanish alphabet, giving it a pronunciation unlike any single letter in English. To practice this sound, think of words that contain that NY combination in English. Try saying canyon, then focus on that middle sound and try to isolate it. Another helpful word is onion, focusing on the NI sound there. You can also try combining the Y sound with the N from the very beginning. Remember, it is a soft, flowing sound, not a harsh one. The key is to let your tongue connect with the hard palate in the middle of your mouth and let the sound resonate through your nasal cavity. An interesting tidbit is that the N tilde is so integral to Spanish identity that, when some early computer systems did not include it, there was a significant cultural outcry. It is not just a letter, it is a symbol of the language itself, and you will find it in countless song titles, artist names, and delicious food terms across the Latin world. Understanding its sound helps you connect more authentically with these cultural expressions, whether you are dancing to a salsa track or savoring a dish. Embracing the EN sound truly opens up a richer appreciation for Spanish pronunciation and the vibrant world of Latin music and culture. By practicing this specific sound, you are not only improving your linguistic skills, but also deepening your connection to the heart of many beloved genres and traditions, allowing you to pronounce names and words with confidence and respect.